Okay, first we will talk about the challenge in manufacturing industry nowadays. Because right now we know that more and more people are going into the different industries and there are a lot of different companies established. So actually in the injection molding industry, we have less and less people who is going into the injection molding industry. And at the same time, the technology is also developing. So when it comes to the well-trained people, it's not that easy like in the past than nowadays to hire a really good technician for the injection molding. And the second thing is we would like to give, because nowadays the productivity and also the functionality of the injection molding machines are much more stronger. So it gives us more possibilities to control the performance of our product. And to achieve that, now we need to do some simulations like injection molding simulations in order to get a better quality. And that is also going back to the first topic. You need the well-trained people to do the simulation. And also because right now you know that most of the people will switch their jobs yearly or maybe 3 to 5 years. And that would make the injection molding industry become a little bit hard because right now most of our customers, they would like to modify their process settings based on the experience. And if it's based on the experience, it means if you lose the employee, if they go to other companies, that means they bring their own experience to other companies. And you don't have the experienced staff and you miss some hard time. You need to train another new employee. So the database becomes really important. If we can store those experience in our database, then no matter who is the new employee, they can get into the situation in a really short time. So in order to solve these kind of problems, that we provide a new thing, which is the Moldex3D Turnkey Platform. And here is the workflow right now. For now, after the mold designer designed the runner and cooling channel design and also the mold base, and after that they would need to do the 3D modeling in the CAD software and then do the BOM creation, and then after that they will provide everything to the CA engineer. And CA engineer will base on those runner and cooling channel design or the mold design or the part design to run the simulation based on their knowledge and then adjust something.